Hello everyone, welcome back. This video. Today we are going to look at mini project development using Django and for the 5th semester 22 scheme. This project is simple but powerful URL shortener. The URL shortener is a web-based application that takes long URL and generates the shortened version, making them easier to sort and manage. We will go through the project, key features, code and functionality that makes it works. We started by setting up Django project, creating an app called Shortener and defining our URL model to store both original and shortened URLs. The model helps us store the URL efficiently in database, allowing us to retrieve and redirect users to original link based on the shortener version. Here, quick breakdown of the important part of the code. We have created utility function that generates random strings for the shortener URL, ensuring uniqueness. Our views handle the logic for shortening URL and redirecting users to original link. The forum where users input their URL is kept simple to allow easy usage. Now let's see how it works. On the main page, we enter the long URL, and once we submit the application, generate the shortened version. If we visit shortened URL, it redirect us to original website. The simple workflow provides a great demonstration of how URL shortening services like bit.li or tinyurl work. This project is an excellent introduction to Django covering model creation, URL routing, and database management. It also highly scalable, meaning you can add more features like analytics, custom short links, and user accounts. Okay, finally, thanks for watching. If you would like explore the code or learn more about the build project like this, check out our website and also the description. I will give the link in below description, and also contact for code 73488 78215, this number. Thank you for watching.